Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these pattern inside of jeans outfit on Dress to Impress. So select these jeans and I'm just going to turn off the flower and I'm going to put the ribs to the star one. And I'm just going to change the color of them real quick. Then for the pattern, you're just going to use these and then you're going to go to patterns and you're going to select the one you want. You can use this flannel one or like the cow one, maybe for like a cowboy theme, or it could be for like indie Y2K, whatever. Then sorry, then you're just going to put on some shoes. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.